Big Mo, Burb Files. We sold sexy on the inside. I didn't want to have to do it, but we did. We sold her to Big League.
What up, dog?
What up, dog? Big League, getting ready to go to OHIO.
Thank you for the Burb.
You're welcome for the Burb.
She runs great.
Keep her real, and you need gas, because we new tank, new sending unit, all that bullshit. We gonna hook up again though.
Yeah.
Keep the heat on, and I'll holler at you because I don't think that's somebody we know. Okay. Holla later. Burb Files. Boo.
Well, we're here today in Parkwood Avenue for the street that my mother actually grew up on, down the street.
Hey, make sure you guys get that camera right there.
Yeah.
This is the bad part about it, dude. Nobody feels like fucking doing it. Burb Files. Boo, Burb Files. We're here. We're fucking hungry. We're drinking.
Right now, I fucking hate Suburbans.
Yeah, so we're here in Missouri on the Burb Files, drinking our favorite non-sponsored liquor, Jim Beam White Label.
Should be sponsored.
Should be fucking sponsored. We're working on Sexy on the Inside. Remember I alluded to you that I sold it? Yeah. Yeah, she's gone. Cue the music for Daryl Hall and John Oates. She's gone! So we replaced the gas tank and sending unit and pump, heater core. We didn't film that because there was a lot of tomfoolery and expletives. But as you can see, we are looking at this perfectly well-engineered LS swap into the K10.
Well, perfectly engineered.
Well,
perfectly engineered.
Yeah. We are going to fire this motor scooter up. There's no belt on it or anything. We're just going to get it up and running and see if it actually runs. And we're going to get a couple of multi-camera angles on it and go from there.
I'm going to prime the pump a few times.
I don't blame you.
Is it in park?
Yeah, that would be a good idea for me. Is it in park?
Notice,
yes, because the comb shifter is actually hooked up.
You know what? I'm going to stand off to the side regardless.
Right. Sounds like she got some.
Yeah, but
exactly.
I hear it's.
Is it leaking?
That sounds like a lot of fucking fuel.
The rails are noisy, I think, once they start filling up.
Oh,
I don't see any fuel.
Right. It's the same thing. All right. She ran.
She did run.
I think she's down a cylinder.
Where is it, Alan? She runs! She runs!
It idles.
I don't know, it's just getting hot enough to... Oh, that goes here.
Actually, no. I gotta plumb in a transducer. It just tells the computer when the AC's on it.
Yeah, it's gonna be like a switch like
so
that.
it'll
over
pump
there in the line
idle
somewhere.
and
Yeah.
control the fans and keep the fans from kicking on and off.
But even the way it sounded, it didn't sound like it was down a cylinder. It sounded like...
It just sounded like it was trying to prevent itself from...
Limp mode, so to speak.
Almost like TPS was off or something more along those lines.
I mean, it's loud as shit, but...
I can fire off again and see if it...
Yeah.
once it's running, I mean, if it starts, it's got enough.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that plug wouldn't make it bog like that.
Yeah, that's not. That's like a TPS or
Map sensor.
is this is 24 times, right?
Yes, sir. It was a.
Did you put a new crank and cam sensor in there? That was the expected response.
No.
That would have been an extra
this
20
is-
bucks.
So this was out of the Tahoe. It was the drive-by-wire. I put a drive-by cable intake and throttle body on it. Fucking got the harness and a different computer, so it really shouldn't matter.
Right. But that's what it says. It seems almost like a TPS thing.
And that's very
Like
possible.
it doesn't know.
I don't know.
No,
where.
that time you fired it up. I mean, found idle fine
Yeah.
and all that. It seems like it doesn't
And
work.
I have another one or two. I think I have another one or two throttle bodies that are cable.
Oh, we could test it to see where it's at, but
Yeah, it doesn't want
I'd
to
like to see
accelerate.
if it has both the cam and crank too.
yeah.
Sometimes if it sees one or not the other, it'll start up, but it won't let
Accelerate.
it accelerate.
Yeah, the correlation isn't there enough for it to.
Yeah, it was changing
Right,
because
it's
the
got
throttle
one end
blade
of
was
it, but
open.
not
It was
both ends,
changing
so
Right.
noise because the throttle blade was open, but it wasn't changing.
we'd have to
RPM.
look at the data.
Did we just data log that by any chance?
So somebody needs to buy HP tuners.
Yeah,
real quick.
exactly.
I mean, I ask these questions in jest.
Get that shit right, son.
Look, I was going to, and then life happens. As it seems to be happening.
Yeah, I may end up sticking those plug wires on the shelf and getting a 12-inch set.
Yeah, that's not gonna last. I'm telling you, man, just give the
I
ones
just-
I got.
I just
Fucking
go on
love
this
them. They
engine,
come with
pull the
heat
plugs in, the
shields,
wires off of it.
Fucking everything.
What's that?
Pull the plugs in, wires off of this one, and just stick it on that. See how it does.
That one's never run, but I could definitely do it off this. This one,
Stick it on that. See how it does.
that one's never run, but I could definitely do it off this. This one, I've had running here.
On a stock vehicle, Iridium.
What? What?
This is just fuckery.
Not this engine. I've had this one running though. What about the one back there? Yeah, that was good. It's just run.
Don't start that one. Don't touch that one.
Well, yeah, that one's kind of unknown. I got it.
That's his
I've
parts
never heard
engine.
it run, exactly. I've never heard it run.
His parts engine.
It's the quality.
Let's go to the engine aisle. No.
Yeah.
From front to back. Not run all the way to was running great.
Don't know, haven't heard.
We want something out of the middle.
This was doing burnouts before I took the
Right.
truck apart, so
Don't take anything out of the good engines because I might need those for a potential swap.
For real.
Later in
Scan around.
That's why they say tune
Yes. Had you been watching Burb Files, you'd know.
Thank you. Finally tell somebody else
I
that
do
shit.
watch
She's been
It has been a hot minute. That video went live like a month and a half ago. Actually, probably closer to 2 months.
Which video?
We're here at the LS swap. This is lobby stage camping.
Or Elgin part number 1809.
Is that fucking? Is it horribly? Is the starter horribly loud?
I didn't start it at all.
Okay.
No.
It's beautiful.
Sounds like mine.
That fuel slosh is weird. It's like,
No, and the fucking.
have 8 gallons. Start.
Or it's a fuel supply. Since we really don't have any idea. Yes, we can hear it, but we don't know
It could be.
necessarily what the pressure's at.
If it's
That could, without.
if it's
that
going
could
through the
also
rail, it's not over 58.
Well, these have
Might be under though.
these have ports that you can throw a gauge onto if you had one.
I mean,
Maybe
Yeah,
I'll
one.
rent that.
Do we have one?
you
I
got
don't
you
know.
got a fuel pressure gauge?
I have one. Not for fucking fuel.
I mean, I got a fuel pressure gauge, but I'll.
It is definitely for a carbureted. Good luck.
There's not a label. Not there wasn't a label at some point, but there's
That's
not one right
interesting.
now.
That is
Of all things, not to label.
bank 1 and bank 2.
Well, not say there wasn't. He may just took it off.
Or it may have
I
fallen
don't
off by
see.
laying it on the engine, taking it,
Is
laying it
there's
on the
not one over there either.
No, I didn't see one.
Well, considering what
I don't know where
else is
it's
coming
going.
off the harness over here, like you wouldn't be able to swap it around. So it's taped right here, and the coolant temp sensor.
Hot damn.
No, but every time today,
Oh,
we'll have to pull the,
Unfortunately, it's a
Need an
4
8
a.m.
mil.
or 2 a.m. or something.
we'll have to pull the core out of the shredder. Though.
What does that gauge go up to?
100.
All of it.
Plenty all day.
This was on your car.
Oh yeah.
Once upon a time, it was
Oh, the stain?
mounted,
Up on
to
the
the car,
hood.
mounted to the cowl outside the window.
Nice.
Yeah,
Jonathan,
filled.
it's taped here.
liquid filled.
It is.
Yeah. So the ECT going down, so it kind of has to be
Right.
correct.
I was looking at the mass hair over here on this side too, so.
I think as far as that goes.
Yeah. Who was it? Yeah, bud. Yeah, bud.
So fires. You heard in the last this episode that we sold Sexy on the inside. I have too many cars, and we have some news on the Burb Files. We're moving to Atlanta. Well, South Atlanta. Hopefully, you know, we put the down payment on. Whether or not we get approved is besides the point. But we're moving nonetheless. So we had 5 cars at this house. We only had room for 3-ish. So we decided to sell Sexy to Big League. He's part of the crew. We went to Missouri. We changed out a bunch of stuff. The gas tank, sending unit, had to fix some hoses. Changed out the heater core because it is getting cold, and Sexy was in Florida, so all we ever did was ride with the windows up and max AC. So yeah, that's it for us. No more Burb. No more Burb Files. I don't know what I'm going to spend my money on now. Quilting? There's always drinking. I could get better cigars instead of the $2 cigars I smoke now. Anyway, that's it. Goodbye. You think we're gonna end the episode like that? Hell no. We went out to Missouri for 2 reasons. 1, to sell Sexy on the inside, and 2, to pick up our new Burb. 1990. Shit. It is a Chevy. 1990 Silverado Burb. Hashtag Charlie Brown. You've seen him on episode 10. I'm not gonna beat you to death about it, but stay tuned for more episodes. Stay tuned for more Burb Files as we use this buddy to haul the mail all the way to Atlanta. Talk soon.
Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below.